Mother Nature is unpredictable. It does all sorts of crazy things to your home, and most of the time, homeowners are unprepared for those sorts of things. So the first option that they have is to just grab anybody when they need something. At DreamHome, we do a lot when it comes down to craftsmanship and workmanship on a job. We understand that there's a couple different ways you can do any type of home improvement project. And it really comes down to what are our installers actually doing when they're doing the project. We're working in an industry that has a level of mistrust, and what we're working to do is change it day by day. Our approach is just simply this: do the best quality workmanship we could possibly do on every single job. We want to go in there and do a job once and then have that homeowner never have to worry about that job ever again. The customer's home is the biggest purchase that a customer's ever going to make in their entire life. When it comes to being able to be trusted to take care of somebody's homes, we take very special care into their home when we're on the job site at all times. We go above and beyond protecting their homes from the outside and the inside every step of the way. When it comes to family, we've built our company around being a family-oriented business. We treat every home like we would treat our own home, just like we want to treat every one of our customers as if they're our own family.
And it's like my house is brand new again. They did everything they said they were going to do and then some. They handled me with respect. I will recommend them to anybody.
They were very professional. I would recommend anyone, if you have any work to be done, see DreamHome. They will tell you the truth and they'll show you what needs to be done. You don't have to wonder.
Everyone has dreamt of a home, and what we want to do is, if you don't already have it, we want to turn it into your dream home.